Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor and a smile as bright as the sun, lived in a cozy castle nestled beside a sparkling river. His best friend was Sparky, a small green dragon with big friendly eyes. Sparky was usually very cheerful, but today he was a little worried. Image generation. Hic! Sparky hiccuped. Tiny shimmering bubbles floated from his nose. Each bubble played a different musical note as it popped. Hic! Oh dear, Sparky said, his voice a little shaky. My hiccups are back. Image generation. Sir Reginald, who was polishing his shiny shield, chuckled kindly. They sound rather musical, Sparky, he said, listening to the little doink, plink and twirl sounds of the bubbles popping. Sparky, however, hid his face with his small green claws. But they won't stop. What if they scare the fluffy bunnies in the meadow? Image generation. Sir Reginald thought for a moment, tapping his chin with a gloved finger. He said. What if we didn't try to stop them, Sparky? What if we made something fun with them? Sparky looked up, his big eyes curious. Fun? Image generation? Yes, Sir Reginald exclaimed. We can make a bubble symphony. He found a long, smooth stick and started waving it gently in the air near Sparky's nose. Hic! Popped a high tinkling note. Hic! Came a low, rumbling sound. Image generation. Sir Reginald carefully moved the stick, guiding the direction of Sparky's hiccups. Soon they were making a beautiful melody together. The tiny musical bubbles floated all around them, sparkling in the sunlight. The fluffy bunnies hopped closer, their noses twitching, enjoying the sweet music. Image generation. Sparky giggled. His hiccups didn't seem so scary anymore. They were making everyone happy. He hiccuped a little tune all by himself, and Sir Reginald clapped his hands. Bravo, Sparky! Image generation. Soon Sparky's hiccups slowly went away. The last few musical bubbles floated gently and popped with soft, sweet sounds. Sparky smiled. That was fun, Sir Reginald. Thank you for helping me. Sir Reginald smiled back. You see, Sparky, sometimes things that seem a little bit scary can turn into something wonderful if we use our imagination and work together. Image generation.
Please subscribe. Thank you.